How to change Netflix region. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your Netflix region, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to change your region on Netflix, first of all, the reason you might want to change your region is could be because some of these shows are restricted in your country, and that is why you might want to change the region so that you can watch. Now the only way you can achieve this is Netflix by themselves doesn't allow this to happen, and the only way you can achieve it is by simply changing your IP address, which can be achieved by using a VPN. Now I would recommend you use a premium VPN of any of the recommended ones, such as Surfshark VPN, NordVPN, Tomato VPN. There are so many VPNs out there. I'm personally using an IPVanish VPN with a premium subscription. Now it doesn't mean you have to use this one, just make sure to research or not whether it works for Netflix, because most of the VPN apps, they don't also work for Netflix. So that's the thing you want to understand. Now from here you can just go to locations and just connect to the region on which you would like to use Netflix to. So let's say I want to connect to Mexico. I can just select Mexico here, and then I can just tap the content connect option there in order to connect to Mexico, and then watch the shows that are not available in my country but only on Mexico. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.